Our group admin can delete any message for everyone in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device and also the latest version of WhatsApp application. Next, launch the WhatsApp application on your device and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now all you have to do is tap on any of the group chats over here and make sure that you are the admin over here to delete any of the messages. Now here you can see I'm the group admin over here. So if someone has sent the text over here which I want to delete, then all I have to do is just make a long press on the message, and then here at the top you can see the option of delete. So tap on the delete box and here you can see the option of delete for everyone. So just tap on delete for everyone and here it gives a pop-up that as an admin you are deleting this particular person's message for everyone in this chat, and they will see that you deleted the message. So just tap on delete for everyone, tap on OK, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.